In this video, I'll show you how you can merge cells in Excel. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up your Excel and find where you want to merge. Now I want to merge these up here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these and I'm going to press on home. Now from in here there will be a button that says merge and center. I'm going to click on the drop down and select which one I want. Now I want this one, so I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it has now been merged into one big cell. Now keep in mind, if you select multiple text cells like these, it will only be the first one that's going to fill out all of these. So for this one, I only had a text here and no text on these. So I select them, merge and center, and there we go. Now that's basically how you can do it in Excel, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.